Form is nothing but the separating line between surfaces of color. That is outer meaning, but it also has an inner meaning, and form is the outward expression of this inner meaning. So it is evident that form harmony must rest only on a corresponding vibration of the human soul. Naming. Paradise green, crushed pine, dill pickle, soft moss, woodland fern, forest falls, jungle fever, olive branch. Emotion. The energetic activity considered in physics is the emotional intensity entertained in life. The felt effect of color does not always exactly correspond to the influence exerted by it on behavior. What is the conduct generated by blue? Singular. Having a color is not more general than being green, because only this color is green, and this green is only this nuance. The rose is not red without having the red of this rose. This red is not a color without having the color of this red. Naming. A lemon is yellow, and an orange is like its name. Everything. The wave theory of light is an excellent, well-established theory, but unfortunately it leaves out color as perceived. Everything perceived is in nature. We may not pick and choose. For us, the red glow of the sunset should be as much part of nature as are the molecules and the electric waves by which the men of science would explain the phenomenon. Relation. Like echoes which from a distance mingle into a unity shadowy and deep, as vast as night and light, sense, colors, and sounds reply to one another. Vague. Cold sounds and rough colors, salty shades and bright, clear, biting smells, so intertwined, so fused, it is hard to distinguish one sensation from the other. Levels of nothingness. The state of pure sensation amounts, in effect, to a total absence of relationship among virtually all visual impressions. There are, as yet, no spatial dimensions, neither as high or breadth, only a fortuitously given ordering of various colored patches, more or less distinctly separated off from one another. First, there is nothing. Next, there is a deep nothing. Then, a blue depth.
Histories. The centuries' development of color could continue no further on a flat surface. Color had to continue in space.
Bodies. Either a perfect body exists nowhere, or it will last only for a moment. Hello.
Nothing. In a perceptual field reduced to one color, vision blanks out. A pure color experiences results in a complete absence of seeing.
down to the other side of the room.
Somebody go, I'll let you in a few things. If you want to sing, naming is good because that one's actually reflecting also frequencies. So that one's good. If you want to drive everybody insane, choose emergence because that's the one that strobes when you are quiet.
Emergence. Vision gives back more reality than it is given. It is not possible to sustain a distinction between perception and hallucination.